Hello, welcome to my channel. Here's ArtView. Today I want to sharing the tools that we usually use for Chinese painting and calligraphy. Let's get started. First of all, I want to introduce the brush pen. The brush pen has many type. You see, this brush pen, the hair is brown color, and this pen made by wolf's hair. So wolf's hair is a little hard, so we usually use for the calligraphy, and we drawing the line, including mountain, rock, and a tree, some stuff like that. And the second is this. You see the color is white, so this hair made by sheep's hair, and the sheep's hair is more soft, so we usually use for the pigment, and also we use for big area of the ink. And the third one is this. You see, this is the mixed. You see the brown color, wolf's hair in the middle, and around is white, the sheep's hair. So there's a lot of situation we need to use it, and including calligraphy. And next I want to introduce the ink. So there's two ways to get ink. First is the traditional way, and also this is the official way to get. You need to prepare the inkstone. You see, this is the ancient inkstone. It's really beautiful, and you need to prepare the ink stick. Ink stick can preserve really long time, over 100 years. So if you have a good quantity of ink stick, you can have a good quantity of ink. And the second way to get ink is just to you buy this ink directly, use it. It's really convenient. Next, gonna come to the plate. So if you writing the calligraphy, you only need one plate just for the ink. And if you're doing the Chinese painting, you need two. One for the ink, another one you need to mix it up with water. So that's the difference. And also, this is not enough. If I draw in the Chinese painting, I need a big plate for mix it up. The next one is paperweight. You see, this paperweight is made by wood, and you see this is such a beautiful paperweight. This is one of the intangible culture heritage from China. This is called cloisonne. And also you can use the normal one, look like this. And the last thing is felt. You see down here the felt. You put the paper here, and the paper gonna seep in. You see, if paper gets wet, if you not use the felt, it's gonna stick with the table. So this is the important. Okay, that's all for today. So if you guys enjoy this video, interested in Chinese culture, Chinese art, and also many arts. Please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.